The age-old question: how do I grow Instagram without selling my soul or dancing on reels every day? Let's break it down. How to gain followers on Instagram. First of all, understand how Instagram really works, right? The algorithm game. The Instagram algorithm doesn't hate you. It just prioritizes engagement, likes, saves, comments, shares, and watch time. Consistency, how often you post and interact. Relevance, whether your content matches your audience's interests. Retention, how long people stay on your post or video. So, if you want growth, don't chase trends, chase retention. Get people to stop scrolling and stay. Step 2: post stop scroll content. If your content looks like everyone else's, it will drown in the feed. To grow, you need scroll stoppers, content that makes someone pauses, right? Formats that currently dominate: short reels, 7 to 15 seconds, fast, punchy, emotional. Carousel posts, tell a mini story or give values slide by slide. Behind the scenes clips, people love authenticity. Before and after or transformation visuals. Example: instead of my morning routine, do the real reason I wake up at 5 a.m. It's not motivation. That's curiosity driven storytelling. Irresistible. Step 3: master captions and hooks. People underestimate captions, but on Instagram, your first line, clickbait for attention. Try these formats: question hook, confession hook, or stat shock, right? Let's start with the question hook. What if you've, for example, what if you never opened your phone first thing in the morning? Confession hook. I used to think success was about hustle until this happened. Stat shock. 90% of people scroll past their dreams daily. Here's why. Then, keep your caption conversational, personal, and skimmable. End with a call to a comment or share, like tag someone who needs to hear this, or would you try this? Step 4: consistency beat virality, right? Posting once in a while and expecting growth? Nah. Instagram rewards momentum. Once you start getting reach, you have to feed it. Try this rhythm: 3 to 5 reels per week, short, engaging, high retention. 1 to 2 carousel posts, value driven or story driven. Stories daily, even if it's just a quote or your coffee shot. Stay present. Use Meta Business Suite or later to schedule everything ahead. Step 5: optimize your profile for discovery. Think of your profile like your shop window. Make your profile picture clear, expressive, and instantly recognizable. Add searchable keywords like Amar, a video editor, instead of just Amar. In your bio, what you do and who you are or who you help, plus call to action. Helping creators, for example, grow with cinematic short form videos. Download my free Reels checklist, right? And add link. Use Linktree or beacons for multiple links, right? Step 6: engage like human, not a bot. Instagram growth isn't just posting; it's participation. Reply to every comment. Reply to every comment, even with humor or emojis. Comment on others' posts in your niche, thoughtful ones, not like flames and emojis. DM people you genuinely admire. Collaborations grow both sides. Use stories to ask questions, polls, or mini rants. People who follow people they connect with, not just those who look cool. Step 7: leverage trends, but twist them. Hop on trending audio or visual format, but make them fit your niche. Don't just copy what's trending. Remix it. Example: POV, you realize you've wasted time. POV, you just discovered you've been editing the hard way for years. That's a niche plus trend equals growth combo. And don't forget to use hashtags in SEO. Yeah, Instagram has search now, right? Use 5 to 10 hashtags max. Relevant, not random. Add keywords in your caption. Instagram's search now recognizes text like Google. Example, instead of motivation, write morning motivation for people who hate mornings. All right? And lastly, patience plus personality equals growth. So, Instagram growth takes time. The accounts that explode overnight, they were probably grinding in silence for months. Keep posting, tweaking, and showing up. Be a personality, not just a profile. Remember, people don't follow you because you post. They follow you because you say something worth hearing. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.